For those of you who have got an overlocker, I just want to show you a quick tutorial how to make an ear saver. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to use white cotton with black thread just so you can see the stitching that I'm doing. Although when I've made them, and I've made quite a lot now, I've done them all black and it looks a lot neater. So start. First of all, I cut a piece of fabric 6 inches by 3 inches. I fold the top over like that and I fold in half and then pop it under the machine, and before I get to the end I fold the end over, fold it in half. Let's get it nice and lined up and run that through. Now here's where you can do many. Take your next piece, you don't need to cut that off, take your next piece, fold it over, turn the end piece over, fold in half, straighten it up, and you can keep going many times. Now you just need to tidy the ends up. And you're left with fabric that's just folded over, neatened edges and overlocked down one side. And I've done 2 for that purpose. You can see it's taken me literally seconds, and you can run 10, 20 through in no time at all. Now I'm going to go over to the sewing machine. Okay, right, so now we've got our pieces of fabric. We're now going to stitch them down. So pop your finger in the end, just like so, I hope you can see, and just flatten it with your finger. Okay, put it in the sewing machine, just do back stitch, just down to the end, nice and straight, and then stop halfway and turn it round. Pop your finger in the other end, flatten it, flatten down your overlocking stitch, straight down the middle, finish off the ends, and back stitch to secure it all. And as you can see, I've secured the ends, overlocked. So that's all neat and tidy now. Just needs all the threads clearing up. Next one, and then you can just keep repeating this all the way through, all the way. Finish halfway, turn it round, open, stitch down the centre, turn, finish the end off, there you go. Now it doesn't look particularly neat because you can see every single stitch, they just need tidying up. However, I've made a whole bunch of black ones, and all you need to do now is add a button here and stitch a button there, and we've got some perfect ear savers to go around the back of the head to hook the masks on. Hope this helps.